So wherever we go guys, we really have our own fruits, our own baon kay maadto ka sa bukid wala ba diri palitanan. Wala ba palitanan diri, walay tindahan. Ug nay tindahan di man puno palit. Bitaw guys, oy. Pamana may kaon sa fruits. I mean, we eat our apple and bananas. Tanawa guys, oh, nindot kayo. Hala, di lagi siya ma-turn. Puti kang palibot deri. Ang dalan pure puti pero naay mga bikers. Naay bikers diri. So walk lang gud mi ani nya in between sa kuan. Napay mga gagmay-gagmayng dalan. So depende nimo kung mo rerouting ba ka right left. Pero kami mo follow lang mi sa. Okay. Mo follow lang mi sa main road. Smile Dennis. Smile Dennis. Tada. Wait sa mag-picture ta. 1 2 3 tada. Mura man siya suko. She looks mad. The driver or she's not happy. So it's good today guys. It's not that cold. Dili ka siya tugnaw kay wala may hangin. If there's no wind, there's no cold. So that is why.
If there's no snow, it's not cold.
There's snow but there's no wind, so it's fine. Especially when there is sun, the more it's nice because it will be more colorful. Dali Dennis. Dennis ay makatoy. What are you doing Dennis?
I'm drawing bear feet.
Ayun, pagdraw sa beer kay maana natay beer karon. We're going for a bear hunt. It must be a big one. Dali na. Finish na yung banana. Dugay po ni unggoy ka og banana eh. Dali mo eh.
This is my stick man.
Finish na kay gamay na lang nabilin. Oh, dugay kayo eh.
Goodbye, stick man. Have a good day, stick man.
Have a good day, stick man. By the way, this place is tang taradang. Pit Maiden.
I'm cold with my gloves.
Kay imo manggi kay you make it wet man. Touch man ka sa snow tanawa. Take it off.
What time is it? 12:15.
Ah, my hands.
Time, I don't know the time. Baby.
Eh?
I don't know the
You
time
got the
yet.
watch on?
No.
That's good.
What? It's cold. Because you touch the snow. Naunsa man ka eh.
I want to go home now.
Ah, go home. Pakita ka to nga. We are not halfway.
We're already halfway.
That Christmas tree is so tall. See that? Tang tadadang.
It's the size of me.
Nge. Unsay oras dad?
Dita ika.
Unsay oras?
You're going to get round here.
Unsay oras? What time?
12:10.
Oh,
Wait till you get round here. The view you're going to see.
Mommy, I'm done.
really? You know what? If it's banana, you won't finish banana, but then the crest, you really finish until the end, you know? Ano patay?
You dump the banana and the dog will fall on its back.
It's okay to put that banana leaf in there because it will just go back to the ground anyway. And then the bugs will eat it.
But I...
Wow, amazing. What's that, Dad?
Wow, it looks like a pet jar.
Especially with the snow in the hill, look.
It looks like a pet
Yeah.
jar.
Wow.
It
That's
looks
what I
like
said.
a
Where is
pet
that white,
jar.
Dad? Where is that?
It looks like a pet jar.
Where is that? Edinburgh?
No, Perth. I don't know if Perth is that way.
Perth nak, it's very white, no?
Oh, it's time to go that way.
Hello, Tanawa, that's what I said to you.
What?
Look, it's white all over from there to there. Look. That is snow.
Ah, we know that.
Pure ba? Nice kayo, no? In the sun ba? It's so bright. Nya 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 nya. Nakalay. Hoy! Layo pa kayo ni siguro. It is our first time to go in this road. Because the last time we went here, we went to the other side straight. This one we turned to the left. So, sa kinaadiri. Maybe this will go round, Dad, no? This will go round ba? This road to the right. And the end will be that there.
have to go way back up again to get to.
What,
where you're
Dennis?
going. If you want for a shortcut to go back, we can just go back up and then go through the track where the bikes went.
Ay.
That'll take us back down again.
Where our car park. Where the car park
Well,
is.
we might have to go back up to the car, but it's going to be quicker than
Going the same way. But going down, it's always been quick anyway. So, when we go down, we just have to follow the road or else we get lost pa. Wala na punta. Ah! Salita. How about the last time? There is no road. Ha! Sabalad kayo, we might see deer. You think there's deer in here? There's deer, oh. There's kangaroo, Dennis.
You know why I want to walk here?
Why?
I want to see a view.
Hala, look at the end, the guy in the end. It's nice, Dad. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm gonna post it just now. Cute kayong Christmas tree, oh. Gamay, oh. There.
Don't tell me we're going to the right.
Cute kay Dad, oh. No, look at the end ba, no? In the corner na, Dad, no? Makakita ka sa... You can see at the bottom bit, no? So... Ina-shake on dito sa tumoy, oh. Maybe it's just a farm. You can see the boat. You can see the... There. Murag na asya ikuan. It's a farmhouse. They don't know. Farmhouse. Di ay na ay car dia, oh. Na ay car og na ay farm. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Bye.